When the storm dragged my boat into the raging waves, I thought it was the end. Hours later, I woke up on the shore of a deserted island, exhausted but alive. The sun burned above me, the sand clung to my skin, and hunger already knocked at my stomach. I realized I had only two choices: give up or fight to survive. The first days were the hardest. I searched for fresh water and was lucky to find a small stream hidden among rocks. That discovery gave me hope, because without water no one can last long. For food, I climbed coconut trees and fished with sharpened sticks I made from broken branches. Each meal was a victory, a reminder that I could endure. At night, the loneliness was unbearable. The silence of the island was interrupted only by waves and the cry of seabirds. I built a shelter from palm leaves and driftwood to protect myself from wind and rain. It was not a house, but it became my safe place. Slowly, I adapted to the rhythm of the island, waking with the sunrise, working through the day, and sleeping under the endless stars. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. I learned to light fires, to set traps for crabs, and even to collect rainwater. The island that once felt like a prison became a teacher, showing me patience, courage, and resilience. My body grew stronger, my mind calmer. One morning, I carved a large SOS sign on the sand with stones. I did not know if anyone would ever see it, but hope kept me alive. After many long days, a distant boat finally appeared. I waved, shouted, and lit a smoky fire. They saw me. Surviving on that desert island was the hardest challenge of my life, but it taught me that strength lives inside us, waiting to rise when we need it most.